Okay, so you want your Scratch 3 to look like Scratch 2, maybe because you miss it or it's just your Mojo. So this is how you can do it. First, you want to download Scratch add-ons and add it to your Chrome browser as an extension, and then you want to click on this one. First, you want to go to Stage, then remove Curved Stage Border, then make sure the display stage is on the left side. Next, you want to go to Shape, Customizable Block Shape. You want to scroll down 2.0 blocks. All right. Then lastly, block colors. Block shape and block colors, of course. So let me just check where is the block colors right here. All right, it doesn't seem to show up in our all right. This one. So you want to click on Scratch 2.0 colors. And then when you reload, you should be able to see that your Scratch will now look like this. So that's how easy it is to bring back the old Scratch 2.0 from Scratch 3 today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.